Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin crispy treats. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to melt that so it does not have to be at room temperature. Then you need some kind of food coloring to make the pumpkins. So if you can find orange, which I have orange right here. If you can't find orange, you could use yellow and red and just mix those together until your desired orange is reached. Then we need 5½ cups of mini marshmallows, 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal, and then you need some little Tootsie Rolls because we're going to use those for the stems of our pumpkins. And then if you want to decorate your pumpkins, like put little eyes and stuff on them, but I'm just making little pumpkins. I'm not going to put eyes or anything on mine. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to melt our butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Alright, my butter is melting nicely in my saucepan. It does not have to be melted all the way, so I'm going to go ahead and add my marshmallows. Alright, I added my 5½ cups of marshmallows, so now I'm just going to stir this all together until it's completely melted. Alright, my marshmallows are almost completely melted, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my food coloring. Alright, that looks pretty good to me, so I removed it from the heat, and now I'm going to add in my 6 cups of cereal. Alright, my cereal is pretty well mixed in there with my spoon, and now I'm just going to let this cool for a little bit until it is cool enough to touch so you can mold your pumpkins with your hands. And just go ahead and spray your hands with cooking spray before you try that. Okay, all of my little pumpkins are formed, and here's just to give you an idea of how big they are, but you can make as many or as little as you want. I was able to make 11 of this size pumpkin. So next I'm going to unwrap my 11 Tootsie Rolls and put those in the microwave for about 5 seconds just to make them easy to work with. Alright, I added my little Tootsie Roll stems, and I just kind of, formed with my hands. Some of them have little twists, and they're curving to the side. Just have fun with them, however you want to do them. And now I'm just going to let these set up, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I got one here for Taste Tester. They're all set up. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Damn, nothing, Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween!